In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make the header and footer smaller in Wix, step by step, using Wix Studio. If you feel like your header is taking up too much space, or your footer looks oversized and pushes your content too far down the page, this quick adjustment can make your site look cleaner, more professional, and more modern. This is especially helpful if you're designing a business website, portfolio, or landing page and want to maximize visible content above the fold. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix and website design tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Wix Studio. Make sure you're logged into the Wix account that contains the site you want to edit. Once Wix Studio loads, open the website where you want to resize the header and footer. Give it a moment to fully load the editor so all the tools and panels are available. Now that you're inside the Wix Studio editor, the next step is to open the Layers panel. You can do this by clicking on Layers from the left side menu. The Layers panel shows you a structured view of all the elements on your page, including sections, containers, headers, and footers. This makes it much easier to select the exact area you want to edit without accidentally clicking the wrong element. Inside the Layers panel, look for the Header section. Click on Header to select it. Once the header is selected, you'll notice resize handles appear around it in the editor. To make the header smaller, simply click and drag the bottom edge of the header upward. As you do this, you'll see the header height reduce in real time. You can fine-tune the size until it looks just right for your design. If your header contains elements like a logo, menu, or buttons, make sure they still fit comfortably and aren't overlapping or cut off. You may need to slightly reposition or resize those elements to match the new header height. Wix Studio gives you full control, so take your time here to get a clean layout. After adjusting the header, let's move on to the footer. Go back to the Layers panel and click on Footer. Just like with the header, selecting the footer will show resize handles. To make the footer smaller, drag the top edge of the footer upward. This reduces the overall height of the footer section. As you resize, keep an eye on any text, links, or icons inside the footer to make sure everything stays visible and readable. If your footer has multiple elements stacked vertically, you can also reduce spacing or padding to make it more compact. Once you're happy with the size of both the header and footer, take a moment to preview your site. Scroll through the page and check how everything looks on different screen sizes, especially if you're designing responsively. A smaller header and footer often make your site feel faster, cleaner, and more focused on the main content. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Click Save to make sure all your adjustments are stored, and then publish your site when you're ready for the changes to go live. And that's it. You've successfully made the header and footer smaller in Wix Studio. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.